Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this charming traditional brick home has it all. To allow for easy one-level living, the primary bedroom, office and laundry room are on the first floor. Freshly painted and new carpet in the primary bedroom will be noticed. The eat-in kitchen has a center island, gas cooktop and plenty of cabinet space for storage. There is a service bar to the dining room, and the laundry room is so much more than just the washer and dryer. The upper level has 2 bedrooms, have fresh paint, bright-filled windows and big closets. The loft-style family room would be a great place to telecommute or homeschool. Don't miss the fully finished lower level, which includes an ensuite bedroom. The renovated bathroom has tile, a huge shower, double vanity. There is a large gathering room with plenty of space for a pool table, exercise equipment, or anything else you can imagine. The French doors lead to brick patio,